Save time by conveniently paying your bill online with Spectrum.net. To get started, sign in with your username and password. If you haven't created a username yet, watch the Creating Your Username video for step-by-step instructions. Your Spectrum.net homepage is customized just for you. Here you'll see the current amount due and the date your payment is due by. To make a one-time payment, select Make a Payment and enter your information. Or take one more thing off your to-do list each month and enroll in AutoPay. Let's go ahead and enroll. Payment can be made by credit card or debit card, checking or savings account. Choose your method. Enter your bank information, or if using a card, enter the card number and expiration date. Before selecting Enroll, you can see when the first payment will impact your card or bank account. You'll also see when your next AutoPay date is scheduled. If everything looks good, select Enroll in AutoPay. You are now enrolled. It's that simple. To get even more from your Spectrum service, download the free My Spectrum app, where you'll be able to make a payment, enroll in AutoPay, view statements and payment history, and get support. For more helpful support videos, go to spectrum.net/videos.